Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sherry from ShareeLynPW. Today we're gonna make some creamy chicken noodle soup, or called sopas in Filipino. So for our ingredients, first we have just a piece of hot dog. This is optional if you don't like hot dog. Half a cup of evaporated milk. Again, it's optional if you don't want evaporated milk. We have cream of chicken soup, at least 1/4 cup green peas, that's frozen green peas, 1 cup elbow macaroni, 1 cup shredded cabbage, 1 chicken thigh. This is sliced into strips. We have 2 tablespoons of oil, at least 1/2 teaspoon parsley, dried parsley, and that's optional too. This one is 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon chicken powder or chicken bouillon if you don't have chicken powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 cups of water, 2 garlic cloves chopped, 1 piece of shallot, or if you don't have shallot, you can have a regular red onion or white onion, some ginger strips, 1/4 cup cubes of carrots, 1/4 cup cubes of celery. Okay guys, let's start cooking. First we put in our oil in our hot pan or pot. Next we'll put in our onion, then we add in our garlic and ginger, okay, and just we add in our chicken, next are vegetables, which is the carrots and the celery. Then we add the 1 cup of elbow macaroni. It up, let it simmer for a bit, then we'll add our 1 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black ground black pepper. Then we pour in our 3 cups of water. Cover it and let it boil. So our soup has been boiling for at least 5 minutes. Now we can pour in our evaporated milk. Okay, and let us stir it. Let's put our frozen green peas, our cabbage, shredded cabbage, and the hot dog. Stir. We can also add in our dried parsley. It's optional if you don't like dried parsley. And our chicken powder or chicken bouillon if you don't have chicken powder. So we can always add extra water on our soup when it looks like it's getting low on water. Just maybe 1 cup at a time. So I add in 2 more cups of water on the soup. Now it's been boiling for another 5 more minutes. So we can just pour in our cream of chicken soup. So we pour it all in. Then just mixed it. Cover and let it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes of boiling, you can now turn up your heat and transfer it into your bowl, and your soup is ready. Now this soup is really perfect with a freshly baked pandesal. I just take this out from the oven. Look how nice and soft that is. So now my soup is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.